Hi, my name is W.O. Laney. I'm the inventor of the Diamond Row Superior Sharpening Machine and the founder of American Hope Success, a business consulting firm. There is hope for all of us despite the horrendous impact of the coronavirus. The important thing is, don't give up. As boxer Muhammad Ali once said, you don't lose when you get knocked down, you lose when you don't get up. Indeed, most of us got knocked down by the coronavirus, if not physically, then financially. In March of 2020, people in the United States lost over 1 million jobs. At this point, we have no idea how many businesses will not survive because of the coronavirus. The difference is more about attitude than dollars. Vince Lombardi said, "Fatigue makes cowards of us all." When you are tired, you want to lay down and stop struggling. How many stories have we all heard about a man or woman struggling through a snowstorm only to lay down and quit just yards from the door to safety? Summer Redstone, the billionaire businessman and media mogul, said, "Success is not built on success, it is built on failure. It is built on frustration. Sometimes it's built on a catastrophe." Well, if that's true, with the coronavirus spread and its economic impact, this is the most catastrophic thing I have ever seen. That means we are standing at the door of great opportunity. Most successful business owners saw a need and then provided a solution for it. So let's talk about you. Are you committed to getting up and becoming more successful than you were before? I have 2 business opportunities for you to consider. One is in the beauty industry. Hairstylists and barbers use professional grade scissors every day. They get dull and need to be sharpened or even replaced over time. At age 59, in conjunction with another national tragedy, I lost it all and had to get up and start over. I knew about a little-known way to earn instant money sharpening scissors. I knew all I had to do was drive down the street and call on people who use scissors. Beauty salons, barber shops, florists, tailors, upholstery shops, even tent makers all needed their scissors sharpened routinely. I was in the same position you may be in today, dead broke. When your back is against the wall, it's time to get creative. For me, it was a garage sale, a trip to the pawn shop, and even a gig as Mr. Peanut at the Walmart grand opening that I got through a temp agency. I did what I had to do to find the money to purchase a scissor sharpening machine. Then down the street I went, picking up cash all along the way to buy groceries and other necessities of life. I quickly found another need. The design of hair scissors had changed, but the sharpening industry was still using antiquated equipment to sharpen haircutting scissors. After searching the world for a sharpening machine that would not damage the new design of scissors, I saw a need. Not being an engineer, I hired a firm to draw the plan for an all-new sharpening machine designed by me to match the factory specs on the new style hair scissors. Diamond Row Shears, a company I founded in 2003, provides the tools, training, equipment, marketing materials, and an initial inventory of premium haircutting scissors to get people like you started in a lucrative scissor sharpening and sales business. For an investment of less than $20,000, you can earn $50,000 to $120,000 in your first year. We can provide financing for qualified buyers. A scissor sharpening and sales business can be the answer to your financial needs both now and in the future. Call me at 303-217-8660, extension 1, for more details and to schedule your training date. The second opportunity is business consulting. In the best of times, 80% of all startup businesses fail in the first 10 years. The number one problem occurs when the owner works in the business and not on the business. As a qualified consultant, you can be the solution to the business owner's needs. American Hope Success has developed solutions and strategies to help your client overcome the top 10 reasons for business failure. Start with our Financial Wellness Report, a 29-page analysis of the past 3 to 5 years of business activity. The financial report shows the foundation you have to build on. Tailor your advice and other products to the most pressing needs the business has to move from struggling to flourishing in their marketplace. Businesses don't have to fail. Owners do not have to get tired and give up. You can provide a second set of eyes to spot problems and, more importantly, opportunities for growth. Your investment for our complete business consulting package is less than $12,000. And yes, we can offer financing to help you get started. I can guarantee you I am not giving up. During the last recession, I wrote a best-selling book, Real Hope for the Unemployed. This go-around, I am not writing a book. I am concentrating on our acronym in our name, American Hope Success. Hope, helping other people excel. Call me today, 1-855-574-HOPE. That's 855-574-4673. Call now. I would love to help you get up and seize the opportunity facing you in your hometown right now.